I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got another review today. With us is the Burton GG1000, an absolutely must get on my chart. Check this one out, guys. Beautiful green camel all around. The GG1000 Burton BTN-1A module 5476. I've done reviews on the GG1000 before. This is nothing different except for the limited aspect of it, the design and the Burton collaboration. There you have the top of the box. The Burton is known for snowboarding. I love the fact that this one is a green design. Reminds me so much of the outdoor, the jungle. Module 5476 in the box for your manual. Don't need that. Let's check out the rest of the watch. Here's the tin for you. G-Shock Burton. Once again, the Burton logo on the top of the can. Beautiful green color. Kind of army looking. Foresty. Black dot on the lid. Let's take a look at the watch. Look at how stunning this watch is. I mean, if you get an opportunity, you must see this in person. Buy it. Try to receive it. It's one that you will not regret purchasing. Here it is. Check out all the cool details on this. It's just beautiful. Got that green Mudmaster design pattern, forest looking, camouflage on the bands. Look at that. Orange accents on the dial. On the minute and hour hand. Got the compass, the orange also on the compass button right there. The beautiful green 12, 3, 6, and 9 hour hands. The black buckle holder or band holder, I should say, with the Burton logo on there. The black buckle. It's just, I mean, they just did a great job with this one. Look at that. It's a negative display, so it's a little hard. It's not easy to read, but it looks beautiful. It looks gorgeous. Let's check out the rest of this watch here. Twin sensor, of course. If you haven't already seen my other reviews of the GG1000, I suggest you do. Give you some information about the watch. And check this out. Look at the back plate on this. Blacked out. No bad trips. Since 1977, Burton. This is the third edition of the Burton. There was a GDF, I believe it is, GDF1000. And there's also a Rangeman GW9400. But this one, I believe, it's one of my favorites in terms of the Burton editions, G-Shock collaborations. It's a must-have, guys. Hope you like this review. Hope you like the watch. If you have it, please comment below. Tell me what you think. If you don't, do you like it? Did I motivate you to get one? Hopefully I did. Like I said, the value on this one will continue to grow. It's just a beautiful watch altogether. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you guys very soon. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my